Hello everyone, this is Verlin from Target Nurses Academy. Recently, OIT has launched its first test center in Kuwait, and it's a computer-based test center. Since its launch, we have been receiving so many inquiries related to OIT. So in this video, I'm going to clarify all your doubts related to computer-based OIT, that is OIT on computer. Let's begin. First of all, is there any difference between the format of normal paper-based OIT and computer-based OIT? Actually, there is no difference in the test format. It's same like the normal paper-based OIT, like the test format, the time allotment for each subtest, the number of questions that you have to answer, the tasks you have to complete, everything are same. But the only difference is that the mode of examination will be based on a computer. So it's just another mode of delivery, not a different exam. Second, how the exam will be conducted. If you choose OIT on computer at test venue, you will take listening, reading and writing subtest at the test venue and the speaking subtest at home using Zoom on a computer or laptop or a tablet. Now we will see what to expect on the day of test at the test venue. When you arrive at the test venue, initially there will be an ID verification. Subsequently, you will be given a computer and a headset for the test. Once the test begins, you will be shown a tutorial. This tutorial will contain description, instruction and short videos about each subtest. Once it is over, the first part of the exam is listening subtest. Listening part A consists of 24 questions as usual. Here, instead of writing, you have to type your answers in the space provided for the answers. And then part B and C, you have to choose the right answer instead of shading. Once the listening subtest is over, automatically the reading subtest will begin. In reading subtest, screen will have divided into two halves. Left side of the screen you will see the text, and the right side of the text you will see the questions with answer space. Once this part A is over, there will be a 10 minutes scheduled break. This break, if you want, you can take. Otherwise, you can continue with your part B and C. And in part B and C, as usual, MCQ type questions, so you have to choose your right answer instead of shading. The third subtest is writing subtest. In writing, also the screen will have divided into two halves. Left side of the screen, you will see the case notes, and right side there will be a column. There you have to type your answers. And now the important feature about listening, reading and writing subtest is that here there are certain tools you can use like highlighter, strike out, zoom in and zoom out. This will give you the same feeling like the normal paper-based OIT. In addition, reading and writing subtest, if you finish earlier, you can submit your answer before the stipulated time. At last, speaking subtest. As I said, speaking subtest you will take at your home using Zoom on a computer or laptop or a tablet. The format of the exam is same like the normal paper-based OIT, that is, initially there will be a warm-up session, subsequently you have to complete two tasks. OIT online speaking test user guide is available at the OIT official website that you can refer for everything you need to know about the speaking subtest. At last, how to apply? You can apply for OIT on computer through the website called www.booking.oitglobal.com. The cost of the exam is same like the normal paper-based OIT, that is 587 Australian dollars. Currently, this test is available only for medicine and nursing. In India also test centers are there. Wherever the Prometic test centers are available, there you can take this OIT on computer test. And about the acceptance, detailed information is available at the OIT official website that you can refer before selecting your OIT on computer test dates. That's all. I hope this video has been informative one. If you have any queries related to OIT, do comment the comment section below. We are always happy to answer your queries. If you want to know more about the OIT course that we provide at Target Nurses Academy, contact this number. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.